Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can grant access to a Google Sheets file. So here, this file on my Google Sheet is currently on private, and if you want to make a private or grant access into someone so they can view or edit this file, this is what you are going to do. First, you can click on the share button at the top right corner, and in here you can see the general access is restricted. You can change it into anyone with the link, and you can change their role. If you want them to only view the file, you can click on viewer, but if you want them to can also edit the file, you can choose editor. Or in here you can also just add a new specific people here to the file, and choose their role by yourself. In here, viewer, editor, or commenter, you can choose to notify them or not, and then you can tap on share. So that's how you can grant access to the Google Sheets file. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on